In this video, we're going to look at the Administration tab, where it's possible to configure many of the features of Annotate. We'll start with users. To create a list of users, you can add them individually, but more practical is importing them from a workspace or another source. For example, you could import them from a CSV file, or you could use LDAP. This would have been previously set up by your corporate services. You can also export users. You can change a user role, for example here from a viewer to a user. Each role has different capabilities, which we'll look at in a minute. The user can be edited to change the display name, for example, or you can set the role or remove from the workspace. The roles are the granular rights that specific users have. The default roles are administrator, user and viewer. These can be easily added to, and here we add a new role called superuser. Groups are different to roles because you can have a group of users doing a specific task, but they have specific rights on documents. For example, in marketing you could have somebody that is an administrator and somebody that is a viewer. Here you can create a new group or edit the group. You can rename it or delete it. Document status gives the ability to allow users to make notes or download the document. It is shown in the document viewer window when you show the details. Metadata can be added at the folder and document level, and it's easy to create a new item, for example here country. Here I'm adding the UK, US, France and Spain. Then if you go to the document, I can add a country to the document metadata. With tags, every comment can be classified, and this is done by creating a number of different categories. Adding a new tag category, for example accountancy, is easy to do, and this is where it can be set as exclusive. And I'm adding final review and audit. With exclusive, you can choose either audit or final review, but not both. The section tag is a new annotation to mark up a section and gives different categories other than the note tags which have been used for annotating a paragraph, sentence or word. The final tab is settings, where you can enable email notifications, change the default annotations from margin, which is the most popular, to on text or to the bottom, and there is also the option to change annotation addressees. And those are the key features of the Administration tab.